Have a telemedicine appointment? Your camera is about to join your care team. Make sure to grab your notes and essential info, especially if this is a doctor you're seeing for the first time. Just like when you visit the doctor in person, plan to arrive a few minutes before your appointment time. You might chat over the phone, but if you're talking via video, many healthcare providers may have you check in using a patient portal, kind of like when you check in with the receptionist. There may be forms to complete or ID verification. Once you're checked in, there's a waiting room. Sound familiar? This is a good time to review your notes and internet connection. The doctor will appear when they're ready to help. Be sure to talk openly with the doctor using your notes. Depending on your concerns and capabilities, you can share media with them, like images or video. Your doctor will decide if you need an in-person or remote follow-up visit. Keep in mind, not every appointment or platform is the same, and while your telemedicine experience may vary, the quality of care won't change.